Well, it is February the 9th, the day after my birthday, and we got snow. We got about 5 inches of snow here. As you can see, a little butterball there. He's getting, he's trying to find a place to poop. Gypsy, she loves playing in the snow. Don't you, girl? Can't wait till we can find a house so she doesn't have to be tied down to a leash. I did make it longer for her. Did you get it, girl? We're underneath the level 1 here in Franklin County. It should be a level 2. I've been out here on the roads, and it's pretty bad. Matter of fact, still it's almost 10 o'clock at day. 10 o'clock this morning. And it's a beautiful day out here. Not much to look at, is it? And hopefully by next year we'll have our homestead ready to move into. Poor little Dexter. Doesn't help he's only got 3 legs too, so. And I thought I'd just shoot a little snowy video for you. I hope you're all being blessed. You know, when I see the snow, I think of the Lord's blessing upon us. He gave his only begotten Son, so that way we can be pure as white as snow. Whew, that's some deep stuff right there. Having fun? Have fun. Go, girl. I can't go too far, Dad. Poor little Dexter. Oh, that's just not right, Gypsy. Pick it on the disabled boy. You old bully. Crazy talk. I am still uploading yesterday's video for Monday's teaching. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but it's taking forever. And it's not like it's a long video either. It's like 23 minutes. I try to get it down to under 30 minutes, so I don't know what's wrong with it. And there he goes. He's building his own little bathroom. But I hope you all enjoy this little video of the Gypsy and her brother Dexter out here playing in the snow. Look at her. She wants to pick on him so bad. See? Told you. Come on, let's play. Hey, Dexter. You having fun? Your sister picking on you. Is Gypsy picking on you? Alright, well, I hope everyone's being safe and have a blessed, grateful Tuesday. Peace and love and light will outshine the darkness of this world. So, have a great day. Be blessed. Love y'all. Papa Bear.